Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I didn't film an intro for this video, so just like the title says, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my twist outs. I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, and as you can see, I'm just sectioning off my hair just to start. I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to do these twists all over my head in like medium-sized squares. I'm going to be using the LCO method, which is the liquid cream oil. My liquid is my argan oil leave-in conditioner. My cream is my Shea Moisture Curl Pudding. My oil is, I'm going to be using coconut oil. And then after I'm done, I'm going to put castor oil all over my hair, on the ends, and my scalp, just to like lock everything in. I recently dusted my ends because my split ends was terrible. Like my twist outs weren't even coming out right. Nothing was coming out right because my ends were so bad. I really want to get a silk press and get it done professionally, but in the meantime, I had to clip my own ends because it was just getting bad. I'm gonna do the same twist all over my head. I've already completed most of my head. I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what I do with the last two sections. The first thing I'm going to do is drench my hair with water because I don't like to manipulate my hair while it's dry. So I like to saturate it with water before I go in with the LCO method, which is the liquid cream and oil, which I have listed. Like always, I start detangling at the bottom of my hair and then work my way up. And then I usually go back and forth between my wide tooth comb and my tangle teaser. If you're a 4C girl or you have really coarse hair, buy a tangle teaser. After that, I go in with my Shea Moisture and my coconut oil, and then when it's all done, I go over everything with black castor oil. And of course, never forget to go over your ends one more time with a tangle teaser or with a comb, just to straighten out the ends of your hair, because when you get down to the bottom of the twist, you want to make sure that it's completely detangled so that the twist curls up perfectly. And now I'm just going to complete that whole process over for you again, just one more time. So it's the next day and my twists are completely dry, and I'm about to just put some oil on my fingers and oil my scalp and then take them down. The oil that I'm using is my Jamaican black castor oil. Some of my twists. And I'm gonna start taking them down. I have no specific way to take down my twist. I just try to do it in a way that minimizes frizz. I just took down all the twists, and obviously I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm going to do a little bit of separation and then fluff it out a little bit so that I could wear it, because I'm not going to wear it like this. I've separated most of the twists. Now I'm just going to try to fluff it out and shape it how I want it to be shaped. I do not have an afro pick right now, so I'm going to be using my wide tooth rat tail comb, and I'm going to be using the rat tail part to like get rid of those like part lines from my twist. This is how my hair came out. I really like it. Again, I didn't separate the twist too much because I didn't want there to be so much frizz.